I am hosting an open house today in beautiful Katy, Texas. I'm gonna walk you through it and we're gonna rate it 1 through 10. This is 6131 Verde Place in the heart of Katy, Texas. This is a home built by Lennar. It is 3,200 square feet. It sits on a 9,300 square foot lot. No pool, but it is a 2-story, like I said, 3,200 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Let's check it out. These are my absolute favorite type of entrances to any 2-story home. You want to give the people that come to visit you or to try to knock on your door to sell you something the feeling that you're better than them. Come on in. First of all, I've never understood this type of door. If you like it, you like it. Give me a giant double door, something majestic, but you know what? To each their own. Beautiful entrance. I couldn't get that to turn on. There's 17 switches on the panel. I'm not gonna figure that out. We have a formal dining space. Look, this is built 2018. I think by then we would have gotten the memo that we should have open concept. However, some would find use for this. You have beautiful flooring throughout. Across, we have a dedicated office space. So we close this bad boy up. And you don't have to sacrifice a bedroom to have an office at home. This is the living area, or the family room. It's a pretty good size. It's 2-story ceilings. It opens up to the kitchen, which is pretty nice too. Again, this is 2018, so it's pretty modern. I like the detailing on the cabinets. I like that it's not all pale, all gray, all the same as everything else. It's got a little bit of color. I like a little bit of color in my kitchen. You have a breakfast nook. I'm gonna show you outside real quick. So we step down outside. You have a covered porch and gas hookup for grilling, and no back neighbors. No back neighbors. Fun fact, you're gonna have a bigger backyard space if you buy a 2-story because you have less square footage of a home. In the 1st story, it's being built up as opposed to towards the back. So you're gonna have more green space. Again, no back neighbors. Across the street, you have this. It's a residential road, leads you to 2 other neighborhoods in that direction and to the old Katy area, which is older homes, very slow, quiet type of area. So we're in this hallway. I'm not gonna show you the garage or the laundry space. You've seen a garage before. I'm gonna show you this master bedroom. It's a pretty decent size. I would like it to be a little bigger, but that's just me personally. Really good height on the ceilings. Double vanities, commode, and the stand-up shower. I love the soaker tub. To me, that's a plus, especially with all this natural light. And then a walk-in closet. Now let's go upstairs. Okay, we're back on the tour. I had a couple of people come in. I gave them the tour. So upstairs, it's all carpet except for the bathrooms. You have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths upstairs. So this is bedroom number 1. I'm gonna show you the size of the closets for these bedrooms. It's serviceable. And then bedroom number 2 upstairs is the same size closet. Upstairs, across from these 2 bedrooms, you have this full bathroom and 1 more bedroom with its own bathroom. And then to me, the most important part of the upstairs is this game room area, which could be converted into a 5th bedroom. But if you were to resell it, I would turn it back into a game room area, because homes with 4 bedrooms plus an upstairs game room area sell quicker than a 5 bedroom home with no upstairs game room area. I hope that makes sense. The price is $545,000. With the kind of market that we're in, obviously better offers can be sent. If I'm representing a buyer coming into this and I'm not the one selling the home, I'd be shooting for a low 500s, high 400s offer and see where it goes. The area is super quiet, all residential, none of it commercial. You're a hop and a skip away from Katy Mills Mall, but you don't even see it or feel that kind of traffic. Schools are top notch of the top notch of the top notch. The lifestyle that you get in this neighborhood is fantastic. I don't think there's anything wrong with the home. It's built in 2018. I can expect it maybe a little bit of wear on the paint and things like that, but other than that, fantastic home.